Tomatin mild of rum do way bad. Hey lovelies, welcome back to our channel and thank you so much for joining us for another vlog. This weekend was one of those simple but beautiful weekends that reminds you how special the little moments really are. Stay tuned. Our weekend started definitely on Friday evening, and I decided to make some chapati and green grams for supper. One of those comforting meals that always feels like home. There is just something about ending the week with a warm homemade meal that makes everything feels calm and settled. Saturday started with getting ready for church, and of course, little Reece was right there helping me iron the clothes, well, helping in his own little ways. These are honestly some of my favorite motherhood moments. The little everyday things that suddenly become special because your child is right there with you. After getting dressed up, we headed to church, which was such a nice way to start the day. After church, we passed by the supermarket to restock a few things we needed around the house. I always enjoy these little errands because sometimes they feel like mini outings. Once we got back home, it was time for lunch and a little rest. While having lunch, I watched the Artemis II launch, and it was honestly such an interesting moment to watch. It's amazing seeing such big events unfold while you're simply at home having a meal. Later in the evening, I made supper, fish ugali with vegetable, a proper satisfying meal to the end of the day. Then Sunday came, and this was definitely one of my favorite parts of the weekend. We decided to have a relaxing day with Reece at Jamhuri Park. I packed some simple homemade sandwiches and tea, and honestly, sometimes it's the simplest outings that turn out to be the best. There was no pressure, no big plans, just time together. We sat there, ate, listened to music, and even had a small karaoke session, which was so much fun. Moments like these remind me that joy doesn't always need money or grand plans. Sometimes all you need is little food, good music, fresh air, and time with the people you love. Overall, it was such a wholesome and a relaxing weekend, filled with simple family moments that I truly cherish. Thank you so much for watching and spending the weekend with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye. Kwani tutakula mapenzi tu, swali limenivua heshima. Baby na sina ubaya, niakoda mwagika po kisimo taya, hanga mitara, era ulo korea taya. Baby na sina ubaya, niakoda mwagika po kisimo taya. Kirisimu na taya, abebe kirisimu na taya. Oh, kirisimu na taya. Asemedo kamanyo manyonge gima maramari. Tomatin mayudo ok rom ju anybody taya.